AMGA, AMGA. We back, baby. You with your boy Ampmuscle. About to get a workout in, baby. We about to work biceps and triceps, baby. It's gonna go real fast. So y'all come on in, man. Don't waste no time. Thank y'all for coming to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the notification button, and we're gonna get this work done, baby. Y'all come on in, baby. Ampmuscle in the building, baby. Let's go. Right. So we're gonna start off with some hammer curls, guys. Jump right in with me, man. We ain't gonna play no games. Y'all gonna see this pump come real quick. 3. Come on. 7. 8. Come on. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, it's hammer curl. That's basic curl. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Come on. Ooh, that was a tough set there. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. Yeah, sir, guys. Getting that good pump, man. Don't take long at all to get a good sweat going. And what you want to do is just keep it rolling, all right? Woo, you an IBB Pro Ampmuscle, man. Putting in this work with y'all, man. So make sure y'all always stay aware of your health, because health is everything, you guys. So if you let your health go, then everything else starts to go. If you lose your gig, then comes your house, you ride, and everything else come along with it. So you gotta have your health, man. And don't get me wrong, we all are human. So gravity's gonna do what gravity do. But again, you wanna stay on the planet as long as possible, baby. And that's through good health and fitness, baby. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is. Let's get into the next set, baby. We got the smaller weight. I'm gonna go the same thing. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoo. The mascot want to get out, y'all. 1 second. Welcome, Gemini. Welcome, Gemini, to the channel. You know, she always got to come in the morning and greet us. Come on, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. All right. Now, I'll jump back into the tricep. So, again, we're here with it. I'm gonna put a good base, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure y'all can see me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Nice, you guys. So, again, working a bicep as well as a tricep, getting that good pump on the muscle. So, it makes the physique much better with those nice, firm, and huge arms. All right, guys. So, if you want to get the ladies' attention, fella, work on your guns, man. All right. Work on your whole body and just give them that total package, and they're like, man, they can't miss you. Same for the fellas, all right? Get to work, man, all right? Because it's going to pay off, and you're going to be happy in the long run that you did what you did. Let's get into the next set, baby. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. yes, guys. Getting that good pump, all right? And making sure we get good contraction on the muscle, all right? So bicep and tricep is all we're doing today, guys. Make sure we're getting good heart rate and good sweat, all right? So what you want to do, get the heart up, get your sweat, so you get all the benefits of your workout, all right? Yes, sir. Jim from Ampmuscle, man, get to work. How about that? So you just got to do it, you guys. Sometimes it be difficult, be tired, but you just got to go in and say, guess what? I'm going to get this done no matter what because I owe it to myself, all right? You owe it to yourself to be in shape. You owe it to the Creator giving you this vessel to take care of, to be in shape, all right? So do what you can to take care of it, guys. You appreciate it. Everybody around you appreciate it. And the Creator certainly appreciates you guys. Believe that. Woo! Catch my breath. Let's get back into some hammer curls. Go back into the front. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross the chest. Come on. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Switch. 1. Come on. 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, that set was hard. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9. Come on, baby. Yep. 10. Ooh. Dripping sweat, you guys. Putting in that work, man. So again, going into the workout every day, knowing that it's going to be difficult, but you just do the best you can. That's all you can do. That's all you can ask of yourself. All right, guys? I'm just here to give you the game to get the gains, man. That's all. That's all, baby. So if you want 20-inch arms, like Ampmuscle, yes, sir. Got to put in that work. That's all we do, baby. Put in the work and we get the results, man. All natural, IFBB Pro, putting in the work. And guess what? You can too. Health is wealth, man. Let's get into the next set. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tuck that elbow. 9. 10. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7. Come on. 8. Come on. 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9. Right. Strand on the last set. Ooh, 10. Yes. Ooh. Right, you guys. We almost there, man. We almost there. Keep putting in the work with your boy, man. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9. Yeah, sir, you guys got that good pump going. See those big arms, baby? Yes, sir. AMGA, man. Ampmuscle, get amped up. Y'all know what it is, baby. Thank y'all for coming along to the workout, baby. Guess what? Done, baby. Hard work pay off, man. every day, all day, man. IBB Pro Muscle, man. See y'all on the next video. Comment, like, subscribe.